Good afternoon everyone. I'm Sister Libby, Principal of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Today is not just about showcasing our students' robotics projects, about understanding why robotics is so important for the next generation. Technology is changing the world at lightning speed. Robotics is at the heart of this change, from healthcare to space exploration.
I'm Joe Matthews.
Alfred Tony.
Jewel Maria Jolie.
From class 5B.
We study in Nagle Vidhya Bhavan.
Today we are creating a burglar alarm. A burglar alarm is a system of electronic devices which work together, deter the intruder and make loud noise. If someone moves in front of the IR sensor, it senses and sends signal to the Arduino. The Arduino turns on the buzzer and LED to know someone is there.
The components we used to this project are IR module, IR sensor, buzzer, green LED, red LED, breadboard, Arduino Uno and cable.
An IR sensor is a small electronic device that helps us see things we normally can't see. It uses invisible light called infrared light to find objects or check movement around it. All things around us give off a tiny bit of heat. Even if we can't feel it, an IR sensor detects that heat. An IR sensor has two main parts, an IR LED. It sends out the invisible infrared light. A photodiode. It catches the light that bounces back from the objects. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jeena. I'm the computer teacher of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan Kanjoor. We know that the future world is a world of robots. Robots are going to assist in our daily life. So we should prepare our children for the future by developing robotic things. As you all know, our school is providing robotics training for our children. We are using a platform called CyberSquare for this. It's a wonderful platform for our kids for improving their talent in science and technology. They can develop their problem-solving skills, critical thinking, innovation and creativity. It also helps improve teamwork and communication. Currently, our students are developing web pages, games and robotic cars.
By learning robotics, our students develop problem solving, creativity and teamwork skills that will help them succeed in any field. Here, we believe education should prepare children for life, not just for exams. We started our robotics partnership with the CyberSquare last year. Their classes have encouraged our students to think critically, adapt to change and embrace innovations. This year, our students are participating in tech talks and robotics competitions in multiple inter-school digital fest. I thank CyberSquare for their partnership, our teachers for their dedication and our students for their enthusiasm. Together, we are building a future-ready generation. Thank you.